Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to review another awesome and a very amazing project which is known as SATO Token. So here we are on the website and you can check out SATO Token. It's built on the base chain. They have their social media handles such as X handle, Telegram handle, TikTok handle as well as Facebook handle. Also down here you can check out the logo is available here. So let's check out its about section and introduction. So SATO is decentralized meme coin born on the base chain and originally launched with minimal utility beyond its meme value. After a period of abandonment by the original developers, you can see a passionate community of holders has revived this amazing product. So this product has a lot of story behind it as well. It's not a new product, and this product has been revived by the passionate holders as well. Down here you can check out the token utility. Details are shown here. For example, it's deployed onto the base chain. Mint function is non-ownership has been renounced as well. The total supply is 100% into circulation. Tax is a non-dev wallet is none. Also you can check out the contract address right here. Also I want to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. Coming back to the site, you can check out, you can buy it onto the Uniswap. So let's come to the Uniswap, and here you can select any type of token and then enter amount, and you can see how much SATO tokens you will get. So now coming back to the website, you can check out, it has been already listed on CoinGecko as well as CoinMarketCap. Also you can check out the partners as well. Down here you can check out the SATO gallery. You can check out the images are really amazing, so make sure you check out these images onto the website as well. Down here you can check out, they have also NFTs into the product. Originally around 5,000 NFTs were launched by the old team. After everything that happened, they have decided to create some new NFTs. So 100 new pieces are available right now, and you can get it onto the OpenSea. Also you can check out the snippets right here onto their website. Down here you can also check out the frequently asked questions that are already answered onto the website. If any question is coming in your mind, you can come to this section and check out the frequently asked questions such as what is SATO, where you can trade SATO, what is official contract address, what are NFTs, and what are proof DAO. Each and everything is already answered by them. Down here you can check out the social media handles that are available, so make sure you join them as well. Also make sure to do some own research as well on this product. According to me, this product is looking really good. Also you can check out their white paper as well. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.